Guys, let's talk about the marker cable. The marker cable does just that. It marks the location of all of your posts with a consistent spacing. This is an aircraft cable, steel cable that we can put spacing at 6 foot, 7 foot, 8 foot, 10-foot centers. We can custom make the centers for you as well. And what I mean by that is there's 2 crimps on the cable. Those are located on centers based on whatever order is. So those on center space from that crimp for this one, in this case, is an 8-footer. Okay. The way that these work is as you pull this tight, it's just like a string line. As you pull it tight, that's going to show you exactly where that post should be set. Set between those 2 crimps, and your on center spacing is absolutely perfect all over the line. This tool allows you, rather than putting a string line and marking the string line with a marker, this is very easy to stretch out. This is 120 feet, 230 feet. You can make longer ones if need be. But you stretch that out, so you post, unhook it, just drag it down the line, tighten it back up, and stretch it again. This is a big system to repeat. The way that we recommend you set this up, we've got the easy pins from mr.fence. This loop that we put on here will fit right over that on one end. Notice that there's an offset. So your first post is here, the stakes can be that far away. That gives you plenty of room to get a piece of equipment in there to dig if you needed to. On the other end, you can just use a come along, sort of this, or a chain stretcher, and a bulldog or a cable clamp. Right? This is going to go at the other end. We'll clamp it right to the cable. And then hook this to the come along, and then hook that other end to another easy pin and stretch that. So when you tighten this marker cable, we're just looking for taut. We're not looking for tension wire tight. Okay, we're looking for just taut. The cable's going to probably lay, the whole thing out. It's going to touch the ground. As you get it tightened, you'll put easy pins in the middle, and then stick that, pull that line up off the ground. When you go to mid-stick, you're going to tie a wire tie or a piece of wire around this cable, around that easy stake, on that easy pin. Keep it elevated in the right height. So, this is going to give you accurate spacing for long lines, no paint marks on the ground. Repeatable, just drag it down the lines. You got long lines of fence. It's a great tool. We got 6, 7 foot, 8 foot, 10 foot spacing for these. We can make custom spacing we've done before. There's a way to special order that as well. So the marker cable, easy. The marker cable goes like this. You need to purchase the come along and the bulldog cable clamp. And then the easy pins, we have those at mr.fence tools.com.